Yo Bildo, I have an epic great idea.
Ah shit nigga, your ideas never pan out. What do you have in mind this time, Daryl?
Well, my little crack bitch, hold on to your G-string, because this idea will knock your dick in the dirt.
Knock it in like something fierce?
For show, my nigga.
Op snap, what be it this time play at?
We should make a weekly meet and hold it at a coffee shop like those kids on the west side of the state do.
Are you fucking joking me? Who the fuck wants to buy a sick-ass Type 4 banger like ours and drive it to a coffee shop and wait?
Well, fuck sack, what do you propose we do with our weekends?
I think, dickwad, that we should start a local Rally X course and bring people out for some fun with their tight-ass racers and get them all sorts of twisted, like Fast and the Furious style but on dirt, douchebag juice.
Well, you afterbirth bucket of splatter matter, I think we need to find an area to do this first.
I'll make your face, Pragenit.
I love America.
By the way, what is with the outfit and that ridiculous racket, my nigga?
The sweep makes me more aerodynamic when I chase down little bitches like you, and the racket is to punish all who oppose me. Ha ha, ha ha.